In this video, we're going to try to answer the following question. Is there a function f such that the integral of f of x dx between -3 and 3 is equal to the integral of f of x dx between -1 and 1? This is a question that I can call read the question carefully. So this question is asking us, is there a function? That means, can you find a function f that would satisfy these two conditions? Let's call them two conditions here. And the best option is we can read the question. So here we see that we have a function that we can integrate between -1 and 1, and the same function that we can integrate between -3 and 3, and the two integrals are equal. Okay, if we look carefully, this might seem very difficult to find, but the question is asking, can you find a function that would satisfy something like this? And the first thing that I can try or I can get is that if I let f be the zero function, okay, that means f of x is 0 for all x in some interval, okay, and therefore the integral of 0 between -1 and 1 is the same as the integral of 0 between -3 and 3, and these two integrals, they are equal and they are equal to 0 exactly, and therefore I found a function that satisfies this condition. So that means I did answer the question. If you can't see such a function f that's 0 that would solve this problem, we can construct a function that would satisfy this condition here. How can we do that? So we can define a function that's it's the same on this interval, -1, 1, and it's 0 outside of this interval. And this function would satisfy this integral here. Okay, if we define f of x as f of x between -1 and 1, the interval, let's include -1 and 1, and it is 0 outside of this interval. Okay, so that means 0 when x is bigger than -1, or x is less than -1 and x is bigger than 1. Okay, and in this case, when I integrate this integral here between -3 and 3 f of x dx is going to be between -3 -1, okay, f of x dx plus -1 1 f of x dx and plus 1 3 f of x dx. Okay, here I know that I'm in this condition here, x is less than 1, so this is 0 and this one is 0, and therefore this integral is equal to the integral between -1 and 1, and this solves the question. Okay, so I found at least two functions that would satisfy or that would help me answer this question. Okay, so reading the question is the key to solving some problems like this, and by doing mistakes we learn how to solve these kind of problems. Okay, anyways, if you see any errors or mistakes, please let us know. Please share and subscribe, and thank you very much again.